In this video, we're going through what really helps a trader going profitable, because the thing is, doing over trading, trading a lot of indicators, a different strategy is one way to trade profitable. But when it comes to trading profitable in making profit so we can live off, I think it's way more easier to have clear setups and to know, like, I have your $1,000 or $10,000. I'm gonna place $100 for each trade. Here I have 10 trades with $100, so that's $1,000, and now I'm going to like shoot it in the market over the next 2 or 3 weeks. And then having these 3 criteria. The first one is quantity of trades. That should be like, it doesn't actually matter if the quantity of trades takes like a week, if it takes 2 weeks or 3 weeks within these 10 trades, for example. The second one is the strike rate. This is something I think beginners are concentrating on, having a high strike rate. But just imagine you have what is the third one is the risk reward. You have a risk reward of 1. So when you risk $100, you make $100. You have 10 trades of quantity. And now you have, for example, let's just assume like you have a strike rate of 30%. Let's just say 30%. So that's like 3 winning trades of each $100, that's $300. And then 7 trades of minus $100, we're talking about now we have $400 loss for this 10 trades, right? So let's assume now we increase our strike rate from 30% to 50%. So we would make then $500 because of 5 winning trades, and we lose $500 because of 5 losing trades, and we're still not good with it. And 20% strike rate to increase that can be a lot. This is very important, because if it wouldn't be a lot, somebody who has like a strike rate of 70% would like better get off like up to 90%, right? 20% is a lot. So a beginner I see has maybe 30% or 40%. Now here comes the thing. When you increase the risk reward from 1 to 5, let's assume now the same thing. We have now 3 winning trades and 7 losing trades, and we increase that from 3, we don't increase the strike rate, we increase like the $100 wins to $500 wins. This is huge. We're talking about 3 winning trades of $500, this $1,500 in profit. And then these 7 losing trades, we would still be $800 in profit, because we only lose $700, right? So increasing the risk reward is pretty realistic. You need to know that there are like 17 trading days, and out of 17 trading days, 4 to 7 trading days we have training days. So when we sit down just for 1 hour on the computer and we just look at it in the US session, we have always this high. For example, like here is a high and we have this low here. We have a lot of indicators here and everything. This can be good, this can be helping, but for the beginner or for most of the traders that I see, it is, I think, not helping. What I think is helping out a lot is removing all these indicators, understanding that this is the high, this is the low, and once we can see that the market is going nicely there, such as here, now I'm gonna concentrate on the 1 minute chart, because it's not about like where can I find the setup, like, and once the setup is there in any area, like I can trade it. It's most likely about like in what area, like where can I see that the market is pushing, and when I can see it there, now I want to have enough information that gives me a setup to entry and stop placement with a risk reward of 5. So this is the reason why I love to trade the 1 minute chart, because I can pull it out, I can look inside, and check this out. Higher lows means that the market goes up, and lower highs means that the market goes down to me. And when I can see a higher low, such as here, red, green goes higher. This was the first time, check this out here, it didn't happen. The first time red, green goes higher was here correctly. And then entering the trade after the color switch, stop placement under, like maybe 1 tick or just like on the same. Let's just assume here. Take profit here. We have a risk reward of 6. So you see here, we would risk here, stop placement would be, let's go here. Stop placement is around $75, and then our take profit is $487. And this is how to work good with the risk reward. When we get stopped out here, no problem. We have here the second one. This is only risk reward of 2, because the 1 minute chart is here, the color switch is long. Check out the next one, red, green. This one is small. It is about trading literally where the market makes sense. When having small candles, it's normally to get executed here. You can see a risk reward of 5. It's always important that it should be treated as a profitable business. And when saying profitable business, there must be an advantage. If I have a disadvantage, if I can see there's this long color switch and my risk reward is not 1 to 5, I'm not going to make the trade. I need always to make sure that I have an advantage in risk reward and momentum. The strike rate is, I think, and like indicators and everything, I think it's not that important. Just like taking a plain 1 minute chart, I think is best for the beginning, and learning how to trade that. If you need a full trading strategy, everything broken down with my trading journal that I provide for you for free, go to tradewithjd.com/training. You find the link under the video. I hope you get profitable out of this. Please use the demo account. And if you know somebody who's struggling with trading, please feel free also to share. In this case, I hope you could learn something out of this video. Please subscribe to this channel. Wish you all love, good trades, JD out.